All right, hello everybody. Welcome to your weekly preview. This is for March 13th, 2023 to March 17th, 2023. Some important announcements. My office hours 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. on Monday. On Tuesday, there's no live class. You have the science maps testing to do, the last of the maps testing there. And then Friday, my office hours again, 2:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. So it's quarter three, week 8. Monday in live class, we will understand how marriage relates to the law with a discussion board, Marriage Around the World for an assignment. Tuesday, again, no live class, but you do have the lesson there, Marriage and the Law, Part B, with the key terms cohabitation and civil union. Wednesday, your assignment is the CYU marriage scenarios. Thursday, you have a lesson, Law under Parents and Children, with a few key terms there. Paternity suit, child support. Sorry, that should say. I'm going to fix that real quick for you. Not child suit, should say child support. My apologies. Emancipation, responsibility laws, truant, delinquency of a minor, and family card doctrine. And then Friday, you have the CYU law under parents and children. Hope you have a great week. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.